As you launch this exciting initiative, which creates a collaborative between NHS Wales, the Institute of Healthcare Improvement, and Improvement Cymru. It has the potential to significantly improve the quality and safety of healthcare in Wales.
2 days has been absolutely fantastic to have so many teams from across Wales together. One of the key areas that we're trying to support is to provide people with an approach and a methodology that can help them achieve their priorities in patient safety.
We're coming together, we're working together, and we're helping creating a culture for improvement and patient safety in Wales.
So we've had a fantastic 2 days here at the learning session. Lots of energy, lots of really good conversations, obviously with a lot of challenge in terms of how we think about moving patient safety forward. Really looking forward to working with the organisations over the next several months before the next learning session in helping them drive patient safety forwards.